Good morning. It is Mrs. Capello, your librarian, and I am here to do story time with you guys today. I hope that you are having a wonderful day so far, and I hope that you will enjoy our stories and songs today. So we are going to start with a hello song, and this hello song has some sign language in it. Sign language is when we use our hands to talk. So some of our signs are we're going to do this for hello. So you just put your hand on your forehead and bring it out. And then for friends, we're going to take our two fingers and have them hug each other for friends. Okay, so hello and then friends. So those are the two that I want you to remember during our song. It goes like this. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Good job. You want to do it one more time? All right, let's do it. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Good job. Our next song is If You're Ready for a Story. So we're going to clap our hands. We are going to nod our head. We are going to rub our belly. And we're going to sit so still like a statue. Okay? So join me when you know it. If you're ready for a story, clap your hands. If you're ready for a story, clap your hands. If you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, clap your hands. If you're ready for a story, nod your head. If you're ready for a story, nod your head. If you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, nod your head. If you're ready for a story, rub your belly. If you're ready for a story, rub your belly. If you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, rub your belly. And if you're ready for a story, sit so still. If you're ready for a story, sit so still. If you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, sit so still. Good job. All right, our first story is a story about fall. And this is about a mouse and his first fall. And it is called Mouse's First Fall. Mouse's First Fall. One cool fall day, Mouse and Minka came out to play. There they are, friends getting ready to play. Tumbling and twirling, fall leaves fell all around. Look at all the colors, Minka said. What color leaves do you guys see? I see orange and red. How beautiful. Mouse saw red leaves and yellow leaves and orange leaves and brown leaves. Pretty. Look at all the shapes, said Minka. Mouse saw round leaves and skinny leaves and pointy leaves and smooth leaves. Yay! I see a round one here and a skinny one here. Oh, it's also pointy, isn't it? Let's run through the leaves, said Minka. Mouse ran and skipped and kicked and swished through all the leaves. Fun! Do you guys like to play in the leaves? I know I do. It's a lot of fun. Let's pile them up, said Minka. What do you think they're going to do with their pile? What can you do with a pile of leaves? Maybe you could jump in them? Let's see. Mouse piled the leaves high. 1 leaf, 2 leaves, 3 leaves, lots of leaves. Yippee! What a big pile, said Minka. Let's jump in. You were right, they are going to jump in the leaves. Good job. Mouse leaped and jumped and plopped and rolled into the leaves. Whee! He's having so much fun. I'm hiding, called Minka. Can you find me? Look very closely. Can you see Minka? Here's Mouse. Oops. There's Mouse, but where is Minka? She's hiding. Mouse peeked and poked and peered between the leaves. Where could Minka be? Do you guys see any clues about where Minka is? I think I see something. What is that? Then out popped Minka. Here I am. Hooray! Hooray for Minka. Hooray for Mouse. Hip hip hooray for fall. The end. That was a good story about fall, huh? All right, are you ready for another song? This one you might remember from last year. It is called Two Little Blackbirds, so get your birdies out. All right, here we go. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Okay, now we're going to fly in the sky. Two little blackbirds flying in the sky. One named Low and one named High. Fly away, Low. Fly away, High. Come back, Low. Come back, High. All right, sit in the grass. Two little blackbirds sitting in the grass. One named Slow and one named Fast. Fly away, Slow. Fly away fast. Come back slow. Come back fast. Nice. Last one, sitting on a cloud. Two little blackbirds sitting on a cloud. One named Soft and one named Loud. Fly away soft. Fly away loud. Come back soft. Come back loud. Good job. Give yourself a pat on the back. Very good. All right, our next story is called I Need a Hug. This is all about a porcupine who just wants a hug. Let's see if he can find someone to give him a hug. I Need a Hug by Aaron Blaby. I need a hug. Will you cuddle me, Lou? Do you think Lou's going to cuddle him? Doesn't look like it. What? With those spikes? Get away from me! Shoo! He said, no way. I need a hug. Will you cuddle me, Ken? Think Ken's going to say yes? Help! It's that prickly thing! At it again! He's running away too. I need a hug. Will you cuddle me, Joe? Cuddle you? I won't. No, 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 no. Poor porcupine. No one wants to cuddle with him. No one will hug me. That's not very kind. But hey, wait a minute. What do you think he's thinking of? said, wait a minute, he might have an idea. Let's see. You've all changed your mind? Here they come, running back. Oh no. What are they running from, my friends? They're running from a snake. Gosh, all I did was ask for a kiss. The snake just wanted a kiss and they all ran away. Would you kiss a snake? I don't know if I would. But maybe, let's see, he wants a hug and he wants a kiss. So what could they do? Do you have an idea? Let's find out. Well, isn't this lovely? Yes, how about this? What happened, my friends? Yes, they were able to be there for each other and cuddle and be friends. The end. That was such a cute story, wasn't it? All right, we have two more songs and then it's time to go. You ready for our next song? It's called The Itsy Bitsy Spider. Here we go. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Good. Today is a rainy day outside. Is it raining outside your classroom? It's raining outside mine. So that was a good song to sing on a rainy day. Hopefully the sun will come out later. All right, our last song is our saying goodbye song. You ready to say goodbye? And I'll see you next time. Here we go. Now it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you all next time. Good job. Thank you for being awesome listeners today. Bye.